We just parked at the Lumpy Ridge and Gem Lake Trailhead. We did not know that it was a timed entry permit reservation from 9 to 3. So we just parked across the street and we're gonna walk in and hopefully we'll be able to do the trail. So it's just before 2 o'clock. We're headed out on the Gem Lake Trail. Parking at the street only added about 0.3. And this trail is supposed to be 3.1 miles. 1.7 miles to Gem Lake. This is unfortunately our last trail at Rocky Mountain National Park. Just a heads up, the Lumpy Ridge Trailhead is located right outside of Rocky Mountain National Park. So I do not think you need a park pass, but this sign at the trailhead says it's timed entry reservations between 9 and 3. That's why we parked at the street. Here we go. This trail is pretty crowded. We normally like to start trails early in the morning, but we did Chasm Lake this morning and we only have 2 days in the park. So we're trying to make the most of every minute. This trail has 994 feet of elevation gain. Starting to get a little bit cloudy. Fingers crossed we can finish this trail before it rains.
You knew she had to go in there.
It's my new home.
That's where she's gonna live for making me do this hike.
Just made it to Gem Lake.
Gem Pond.
Gem Pond. Gem Puddle. It's very small. It's pretty though. We probably should have done this hike first because this is a little bit underwhelming compared to the other hikes we did, but it's still pretty, I guess. From Gem Lake, time to head back to the trailhead. It took a little over an hour for us to get to Gem Lake from the car, and by the car I mean the street, not the parking lot. So we're headed back down. We're trying to get down before the afternoon thunderstorms roll in, so we're gonna boogie it. So we're coming down the trail now. I'm sweating profusely, so I probably smell disgusting, but this woman just stopped and she was like, "You smell so good." So cake batter chapstick for the win. So cool. All right, we made it back to the trailhead. So if you are parked in the parking lot, your hike here is done. We just have 3/10 of a mile to get back to the street where our car is. Unfortunately, this is our last trail at Rocky Mountain National Park, but wow, we had a jam-packed 2 days and we'll definitely be back to Colorado. We have a few more hikes that we want to do here, and we also have to hit up the other national parks in Colorado. So thank you guys for tagging along. Please like and subscribe. We have a lot more adventures coming soon.